Today, I'm revealing the faceless YouTube niches that are booming right now. I've used these myself, so this isn't just talk, these are real results. Niche number 1, AI avatar channels. The thing most people are completely sleeping on, AI avatar niches. There's a channel called Gerald with Pension and Tax, just an AI avatar talking about pension and tax topics. Sounds boring? This channel pulled in hundreds of thousands of views in just 4 weeks. Why does it work? Target audience, older people who actually have money. It's a finance niche with insanely high RPM, revenue per 1,000 views. Content is straight to the point, no fluff, just value. What's in the video? Just an AI avatar talking, some B-roll footage, simple animations. That's it. Tools like HeyGen make this incredibly easy to create. Results? 10,000 plus subscribers, 700,000 plus views. Estimated earnings? $3,000 to $7,000 in just 1 month. Niche number 2, Geopolitics channel. Next up, Geopolitics. Geography plus politics plus economics, all mixed into one powerful niche. I found a channel called GeoZyra. It only covers Canada. Canada, not exactly the hottest topic, yet it still pulled millions of views. Now imagine doing this about the United States, the Middle East conflict, or any trending global topic. The views would be even bigger. Thumbnail formula to steal? Red plus yellow plus white equals high CTR every time. Simple, bold, effective. This channel hit 4 million views in 11 months. Estimated earnings, $20,000 plus. And he was only posting 3 videos a month. Push that to 2 videos a week and watch the income multiply. Niche number 3, Finance Storytelling channel. Finance niches are the best because the RPM is the highest, meaning the same views pay you more than almost any other niche. One channel in this space hit 1.3 million views in a single month. Just a compelling story. B-roll plus AI voiceover. Write the script with AI, generate the voiceover with AI, edit in CapCut, video done. Videos are around 30 minutes long, which means higher watch time equals higher earnings. Estimated earnings in 1 month, $10,000 to $20,000. Niche number 4, Millionaire Problems. This niche is seriously underrated. Videos covering topics like, so you want to buy an offshore oil rig? Or here's what owning a private island actually costs. People can't help but click. Pure curiosity bait done right. One channel got 800,000 views from just 5 videos and nearly 15,000 subscribers. Estimated earnings, $7,000 in the first month alone. Same formula, B-roll plus AI voiceover plus AI script. Don't overthink it, just start. Pick a niche, start today, and the money follows. If you have any questions, drop them below. I'll help you every step of the way.